What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Microsoft have yet again made installing Windows 11 more difficult, especially if you want to use a local account instead of a Microsoft account. Instead of unplugging your internet or using the bypassnro command, which is now turned off, there's a brand new command discovered by someone on Twitter, I'll have it here, that's super simple to use. Similarly to the bypassnro command, when we're first installing Windows 11, we'll need to get to this section of the installer here. Now, instead of using bypassnro to set up a local account, we need to use a different command. So, on your keyboard, hit Shift and F10 at the same time. If you're on a laptop, you may need to hit Shift, Fn, and F10 for this to pop up. But once it has, inside of here, instead of typing in bypassnro, you'll need to use the command start space ms-cxh local only, one word. Once you do this, you'll see a new installer pop up where we can create a user account here. So this is to create a local account instead of a Microsoft account. I'll simply type in a username here. We can enter a password. I'll make this super simple. We can set security questions. I think we have to do this. So there you go, super secure. We'll click next. And just like that, we've skipped past the section of the installer and we've actually created a local account instead of a Microsoft account. It's that simple. So hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.